every bank in this room has a pretty standard onboarding process. You request your formation documents, your IDs, the real IDs of the self-attested beneficial owners, and call it a day. But then what happens when one of those owners is a foreign national, or the company is owned by a foreign entity?
A lot of entities want to do business with US lenders, but some bad actors purposely create extremely complex and layered ownership structures. So your compliance team is end up chasing those missing documents, figuring out what to collect next and who actually owns the company. And in that time, the truly legitimate deals are already gone to other lenders.
So we built Syntex to help you do commercial due diligence on foreign entities, as mandated by regulatory bodies like the FinCEN. So you can work with companies with complicated ownership structures and foreign ownership confidently.
So first, we're going to show you a digital intake platform through which we collect and validate all the documents that the client will submit. The client here is Albion, a Delaware C Corp who wants to take a loan from your bank.
So we're going to have the digital intake platform right here. So you don't have to go scanning through your email to find the documents that you have requested from your applicants. So we have an application right here. You can continue if you've already started. And this is a pre-filled application. So the first screen that you're going to see is a screening platform that identifies whether a company and applicant belongs to an industry that is particularly regulated. Obviously, this can be customized to your organization's risk profile, risk thresholds. In this case, Albion is not in any of those industries, so we can continue. Then you have a basic company information form that is relevant for KYB or KYC. You're going to collect the company name, entity type, country of formation, state, formation date, EIN, industry, business description, and the business address, and an optional funding stage for the earlier stage startups that have relevant data to share. After that, you have the self-attested beneficial ownership form. In this case, the only beneficial owner of the company is Oliver James Hatwell, and the form asks for a date of birth, ownership percentage, email, and role. Then it also asks for citizenship and residential address. Notice that the beneficial owner here is not an American citizen, is actually a UK national. So it asks for a passport number. Here we have the ID verification. So the beneficial owner can upload their ID. This is an exhibit that I have here. And here we integrate with third-party vendors to validate and check for the authenticity of the documents so that somebody doesn't upload the wrong document and confuse the RM. So if I try to upload my tax return, say, the system is going to be able to flag it immediately and tell me that I have to upload the formation documents. So I'm just going to do that here. And we can continue. Once this is all filled, you can review the application, and once you are satisfied, you can go ahead and submit.
But here's the catch. Like Ishan said, after your relationship managers has already collected all the documents, your BSA team has gone and told the relationship manager that the documents are incorrect because the entity is actually owned by a British holding company. On top of that, your ultimate beneficiary owner is a British national. Now, usually this would lead to weeks of back and forth to figure out what passports, attested source of funds, or proof of addresses are required from the client. The checklist keeps getting longer and longer as you uncover the layered ownership structures.
So now let's see what the same exact scenario looks like when you use Syntex. I'll create a case here for Albion. And I will upload the documents that have been submitted. So that's the formation documents, the ID, and additional documents. And I can press Run Analysis. As soon as I do that, the compliance agent gets started. It starts reading the documents. It starts mapping out ownership structures, compiling a comprehensive commercial due diligence checklist, and starts drafting a justification memo with citations.
Now I'm going to show you where the magic actually happens. While the agent is running, Syntex has mapped out the entire chain, from the US applicant through the UK holding company, all the way to the ultimate beneficiary owner. 100% ownership, 3 layers, and 2 jurisdictions. So your lender knows exactly who this entity belongs to before compliance even touches the file.
So the agent is running in the background, so we switched to a completed case here. As you can see, the agent cites every single claim it makes. So this goes back to the certificate of incorporation that's been uploaded. This goes back to the, again, certificate of incorporation. And every single claim that's made is cited. So there's no hallucination by the model. It cites the documents that have been uploaded by the applicant, or it cites updated FinCEN regulations, or the customer identification program that is embedded in the system. We've assigned a pretty generic one, but if your organization has a particularly thorough CIP, you can go to settings here and customize it if you wish. And the agent will then cater its responses to your CIP and cite all those responses back to the rules.
So on the right-hand side, it gives you a list of all the documents that your relationship manager has already collected and the additional documents that he will need to connect. The agent then will explain exactly why that particular document is required, whether it's a part of regulation or your custom CIP. And if you have additional documents, you can then upload them here, and our agent will include those new documents in its existing analysis and refresh it.
So we also integrate with third-party vendors to do OFAC, PEP, adverse media screening, as well as with local KYB and KYC providers to give a fully end-to-end experience.
So what you just saw here is a deal that usually would have taken weeks, and in case of foreign entities, even months. Just a complete ownership structure ready to move forward is presented by Syntex. This is sometimes where deals fall apart, and with Syntex, they don't. So now you can close deals faster, but more importantly, close the deals that you weren't able to before. So if you're a lender dealing with complex entities, please come talk to us at our booth. Thank you.